Unbelievable. Court finally delivered judgment on Nnamdi Kanus' extraordinary rendition case. See the shocking details from Justice Nyako. I greet you, my dear listeners in the house. It's a pleasure meeting you all still on this very channel and broadcast. In fact, today was just too excellent. Nnamdi Kanu was still favored today. You see, yesterday it was a tug of war between the UN and the federal government, whereon Nnamdi Kanu appearing in court, Nnamdi Kanu not appearing in court. In fact, it was a bomb. All the same, Nnamdi Kanu still appeared in court, and the court case went excellently well. The IPOP leader was still favored. You will not believe the hearing, what the outcome of the hearing, and what it came out with. My dear people, Nnamdi Kanu is a victor. Is a victor. Very soon, the IPOP leader will be coming out of detention, and a lot of persons will be shocked at what will be revealed by the court. In fact, the judgment of today really gave a very clear fact that Nnamdi Kanu is coming out of detention. You will be shocked at what the details actually is. Let's quickly check the content. This is evening news. A federal high court today has finally looked into the judgment of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's extraordinary rendition suit filed by the court. Aloy Ejimako, the special counsel to Kanu, had filed the suit before the court in March. Kanu is asking the court to redress his infamous unlawful expulsion or extraordinary rendition from Kenya by the federal government. Justice Evelyn Anyadike fixed the date for judgment. After the adoption of addresses by the counsel to the plaintiff and the defendant, counsel to the plaintiff in the originating summons described the suit as sui generis of a special class. He contended that the expulsion of the extraordinary rendition of Kanu is a clear violation of his fundamental rights under Article 12 of 4 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, as well as Chapter 4 of the Nigerian Constitution. He asked the court to redress myriad of violations that came with Kanu's rendition, such as torture, unlawful detention, and denial of the right to fair hearing as required by law before anybody can be expelled from one country to the other. Ejimako also sought to halt Kanu's prosecution and restore him to the status quo before his rendition on June 19, 2021. However, the counsel to the respondent, Mr. Simon Eno of the Federal Ministry of Justice, urged the court to dismiss the suit. Eno described the suit as an abuse of the court process, saying that the issues sought were already decided by Justice Benson Anya of the Abia State High Court in January 19, 2022. Ejimako countered the defense counsel's submission, saying that the court only decided that portion of the violation of Kanu's fundamental rights that occurred in 2017. He explained that when he made claims that bordered on rendition, the court declined jurisdiction. Kanu's counsel said that the court did so on grounds that rendition, being related to extradition, lied within the exclusive jurisdiction of the Federal High Court. According to him, this is what informed his decision to initiate the suit before the Federal High Court. In fact, I want to congratulate uh, um, Nnamdi Kanu for today's trial. You understand? I want to congratulate him because all that was deliberated today was actually for his own favor. And according to what the court has finally concluded, the IPOP leader was actually framed and tortured. You see that? So the fact is there. The fact is there, and there is no story that touch in all that was concluded today. All that were discussed today are all tagged to be a reality. There is no say that it is a lie that Nnamdi Kanu undergo this or that in Kenya. It was all confirmed to be true. Abi? So, my people, let's quickly hear from you to know what you take and what's your opinion on what has just been revealed. Maybe don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.